Stem cells are changing how we heal. Instead of just treating symptoms, they help the body fix itself, naturally. They can turn into many different cell types, which means they can replace damaged cells and repair tissues, like joints, nerves, and even the heart. People with arthritis, injuries, diabetes, and even nerve problems are starting to feel better thanks to stem cell treatments. These cells also calm inflammation and help the immune system work the right way, so they're helping with diseases like multiple sclerosis, Crohn's, and lupus too. Doctors collect stem cells from places like bone marrow, fat, or umbilical cords. Then they prepare them and inject them exactly where healing is needed. Best of all, it's becoming more affordable and available in places like India through clinics like Vizec, bringing new hope to people everywhere. Stem cells are powerful, natural healers. And this is just the beginning.